Hello everyone, this is Paulo. Thank you for checking out my channel. So I'm recording a second video today for a couple of reasons. One, I feel like I'm not putting up enough content. If I'm going to make an honest attempt at this, I better work my butt off and treat it like a real job and put up content, for one. But two, I noticed that the last video I put up could only be played in 380p. So I'm trying to solve that problem, and I do want to apologize for kind of the scatterbrainedness of some of the stuff I talked about, where I start talking about why I don't really want to run Garuda, and then it runs into my head went into a bunch of places I could tell, and I wasn't talking about what I meant to talk about. So I just kind of want to clarify and say that what I was trying to say in that video is the reason I want to run Arch over Garuda isn't because Garuda is bad. I don't think Garuda is bad. I don't think Manjaro is bad. Those distros do serve a purpose. That being said, I think I can configure my system well enough on my own where I don't really want the extra software that comes on those distros. So that's why I want something just like a more baseline Arch. I get the software that I want on it, and my system works the way I intend it to work without having the extra things that Garuda, for example, puts on the desktop. So that's what I wanted to mention, and I guess I really want to right now just download an ISO, maybe Arch, and get working on the Linux from scratch videos. So I might actually end this video and go start on that project, because I think that's going to be the more interesting thing. So I'm going to get started on that. I'll chat with you guys later. Thank you so much for listening. Bye.